Welcome. This video will discuss how to edit some of the tables in SPSS output and how to insert page breaks into our edited output. To follow along, you will need the SPSS output file for working with output b.spv after our second round of edits involving the graphs. This is not normally something I do, but for those of you who might be interested, I will show you what you can do in SPSS to edit the resulting output tables. Let's start at the top with the year of class. Double-click on the table to edit. I usually close these windows with the pivot trays. The formatting toolbar may be useful. We may want to delete the columns of valid percent and cumulative percent for this table. Select the values in those columns and hit the delete key. Click outside of the table to save the results. Now let's double-click on the result of Explore in the Descriptives table. We will remove the 5% trimmed mean, variance, skewness, and kurtosis. We need to select the 3 columns for those rows and hit the delete key. Notice that the titles disappear from other groups, but not the values and cells. Close the window when you're done. Now we double-click on the percentiles table. First, I will copy the text that is the same between these 2 rows. Then I will select the bottom row, starting from the far lower right corner, all the way back through the label for Tukey's hinges, and delete all of those results. Then select the area where the labels I copied were located and paste them back into place. We only need the quartiles, so I can delete all of the other values. I will leave the median. Close the window when finished. I don't have any edits for the two-way table labeled as question 4 or the t-test in question 5, so that's all the table edits I will make in this file. Do not feel you need to edit output in this way for this course, but you're welcome to do so as long as your results contain the requested information. Now let's look at the print preview and begin deciding where we would like our page breaks. To place a page break, select an item which will start a new page and go to Insert Page Break. To clear the page break, select the item and go to Insert Clear Page Break. We can also insert text between output for spacing, but for these we need to land on the item before where we wish the text to be placed. Then click on Insert New Text. Here is the final print preview at this stage. Notice the two-way table using crosstabs and the t-test results still have tables that wrap in order to display all of the results. That's all for this video on some final options for editing SPSS output, including editing tables and adding page breaks. Let's save the output as for working with output c.spv. Thanks for watching.